Nice breakfast casserole, or you said hot dish? We'll take either one. They both look delicious. Hey, Tom.
Yeah, you know, I grew up and it was a casserole to me, Troy. But I know a lot of those Minnesotans, those guys and the Canadians, I think they call them hot dishes there. So, and Wisconsin, of course, as well. So there are the hot dish and there are the casserole. But hey, look who I'm with, David Trena, who's the executive chef at Liberty Market in downtown Gilbert. And she's got his daughter Nicolina with her today, and we're at his house because the market is closed today. But how great is this? We're at your house.
This is great, man. Nice to have you at the house.
Thanks so much for having me, man.
Absolutely, bro.
Christmas Eve with Chef David. I'm thrilled. Now,
it's great.
Tell me about your upbringing. Do you guys have casseroles?
No, we didn't have casseroles. We had eggplant parmesan, and that was the extent of anything baked in a dish for me. And lasagna.
Yeah, the Italians never called it a casserole.
No, but classic casseroles, so delicious ones, my favorite.
Oh my God, I love casseroles. My kids aren't fans of them, but that's okay. I'll eat all the leftovers because I'm a big fan.
On.
Okay, so when Ron Hoon and I go to dinner, he usually gets... I get the savory, I get the appetizer. Hooner gets the dessert. Today we're going to do a savory casserole and a sweet casserole. We'll get to the sweet one later. Let's talk about the savory, David. What are you going to bake for us?
This is a quick one. If you're running out of time for tomorrow morning, you can put this together. A quick spray of the pan. Night before. You can do this today for tomorrow morning. Spray that nice.
What was my mom doing before that?
Right? What did we all do without Pam?
I know, right? I love Pam. This stuff's great.
Nicolina's going to help me out. I'm going to pour these in first.
Now, we talked about these. You can sometimes cook those before if you want.
You can. You can put these, bake them like you would if you were going to just eat them. Then you can, put them in your favorite sauce and eat a few while you're doing the dish.
Absolutely will not.
So I'll have Nicolina put this is sausage from Shriner's Sausage here. Just dump that in.
Oh, Shriner's right there on 7th Street, is that? Or is that 16th Street? I can't remember.
7th Street, I think. Yeah.
They do a great job.
So you can do it in any order. I'm going to add a little cheese now. The cheese will float to the top. We'll hit a little pepper.
Oh, there you go.
A little bit of salt just to...
See, now I love salt. When you're at your house, you can have a little pinch of salt like this. That's delicious. I like having a little salt bowl.
Yeah, a little salt bowl. We're going to pour this.
How many eggs are we talking about? This is an 8x8 dish.
I'm going to look at the recipe, 12 eggs.
And by the way, the recipes are on our website. So if you go to fox10phoenix.com, you'll see the recipe on our website. So there you go.
Yeah, super simple. Throw it in the oven, 350.
What do we got over here? I see some...
I made a little green, tomatillo sauce for the top.
Okay.
Just, give you a little extra. You can use regular salsa. You can use aioli, anything you'd want.
Yeah, and what's this over here?
There's a little parsley just to make it look,
See, now I think that's what you got to do.
Pretty. Yeah.
Chef, you're the best.
And it's Christmas, you have a little... it's not snowing, but we can, do a little snow with parsley.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, here's what it looks like, all right? And I'm telling you, David, this is so totally me. Yeah. Sausage, cheese, eggs. I am such a big fan. And you know what? I don't hesitate to take a big chunk of this stuff. This looks so good, doesn't it, you guys? How about Carolina? Would you like some to have some with me?
Wow.
How good does that look? Again, Troy, you guys can make this the night before.
I think I might,
put it in the fridge. And then there you go. So, I love this, and I like your idea of the salsa, David. That's a great idea.
Yeah, let her taste
cream. Is she into it?
A little something cool on top.
Cream. Yeah. Carolina, you going to take a bite with me? I'm going to step back and take my mask back.
There you go, kiddo.
I could eat this all day.
Watch your
gosh.
blow on it. What do you think? Did Dad kill it? Yeah.
Is it hot? Okay.
Great job, Carolina. Come.
I love it.
Coming up in our next hit, we're going to show you a sweet one, Troy. So we have the savory, we're going to have the sweet. I could unscrew my head and pour it in. This is so
that
good.
Looks just perfect. He said 350 for how long, Tom? I missed that. 350 for how long?
350 for how long, David?
About 1 hour.
1 hour.
Just look at it, give it a peek. You can cover it, and leave it in for a little extra time if you got friends from your family coming over or whoever you're not doing Christmas with.
Just make sure it's not wiggling.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, good. All right, thanks, guys.
Well, we're going to go right back out to Tom Fergus. He is putting together a couple of recipes for us for Christmas morning. Tommy.
Yeah, Celeste, I love that first one with the sausage and the cheese and the tater tots and the eggs. It's fantastic. I'm with David Trena at his house now. He's the chef at Liberty Market, and he's taught me so many things over the years. But before we get started, Kirsten is his wife over here. She's hanging out. We wouldn't be in her house without her help. Other thing I want to show you, check this out, Celeste. You would love this. Isn't this the coolest cabinet? This is like one of those tool chests that you see in a garage. Isn't that the coolest thing? I think it's cool. David, thanks for having us in your
Absolutely.
house.
It's good to have you here.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And you've got Nicolina here. I was calling her Shirlene, and I apologize. And then after the live shot, they're like, hey, we'll just call her Nick. It's like, I think I would have liked to know that before the live shot.
We save it to the last, you know, make it easy.
I love this casserole. Look at this, you guys. I ate half of it already. I'm stuffed. It was so good. Now we're moving on to the sweet. So what do you got going for us,
man,
Dave?
this sweet is super great. It's a pull apart. You can call it monkey bread. This is something you could do today for tomorrow also. Nicolina's just, we use cinnamon roll dough from the restaurant. But you can use like biscuits or any sort of like store-bought, like anything you can roll. The croissant dough will work.
Yeah, and I like the idea. Instead of just getting biscuits, you can get those cinnamon rolls and cut those up. And then you got even more flavor.
It's more flavor. So we've done that before too. So Nick is just doing that. We've sprayed this one already with a little of the spray so it doesn't stick.
Pam.
Yep.
That's what I'm talking
about. And then
about.
Tom was talking too. You've done it in this, right?
Yes. So I had a big crowd coming over, and I made like a double batch and put it inside a bundt cake, which is great because it's got a hole in the middle of it.
Yeah, hole in the middle. You can
Remember
put
my
something
big
there.
fat Greek wedding when she gets the cake?
Yes.
And she goes, there's a hole in this cake.
The bunt. So we put that in here. You want to dump that in there? You can just dump the whole thing in there, kiddo.
So you dump all the sugar?
Well, not all the sugar normally here. We'll just do it like this. We have a little slotted spoon.
There you go.
I mean, the sugar's not going to kill you
No, certainly not.
in this, but we would fill it all the way up and then throw it in the oven, 350 degrees. When it comes out, we have this beautiful mixture of butter and brown sugar that you pour over the top.
Now, this recipe is on our website, you guys, if you're wondering how to put it together. This one is really simple. I never really thought about putting it together the night before.
Yeah.
That'd be perfect.
Yeah, so it's really easy and great just to put on the table and snack on all morning.
All morning long. And it's so
things.
simple. I've always just used biscuits, but the idea of using cinnamon rolls is fantastic.
Yeah, love that.
Nicolina is a second grader, and she's so lucky to learn all this stuff from her dad at an early age.
Yeah.
What are some of her favorite Christmas dishes? What are you putting together this year, David?
Well, tomorrow we're making beef Wellington, so that'll be kind of fun.
Because you're executive chef.
And then just simple green beans, probably some Brussels sprouts. Nicolina's going to do something with some cranberries.
Oh, that'll be fun.
We have some little cream puffs, just your simple, things to throw together for Christmas.
Yeah. David, great to see you. David and I were
see
talking. We've probably known each other, I think, going on 18 years. So it's always such a special time. When I found out I had this assignment at his house on Christmas Eve, it's like coming over to one of my brother's houses. It's great. I'm really happy to be here. But again, these casseroles are so easy. The recipes are on our website. You could actually make it tonight and
I love
whip it up
that
tomorrow
one.
morning. Yeah, I know. This
So
one's
true,
ridiculous.
Tommy.
It's so good.
And what is a bundt cake? It's a bundt cake? Just put some Windex
the
on
bundt
it.
cake. Yeah.
You got to cut?
Yeah, it's got a hole in the middle of it.
Oh, so great. I love that movie, My Big Fat Greek Wedding. It's so great. Look how delicious this looks. And so easy. And he's an executive chef, so what's he going to have for Christmas dinner?